Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm just going to show you this little setup that I'm looking at. Hopefully you guys can learn something here, and yeah, let me crack on. So keeping it simple guys, Fibonacci retracement tool from the high to the low of the move, get a 786, which is what I'm personally eyeing up. Anyway, it's basically just a point of confluence, 786, naked point of control, SFP. I'm looking for something like this, tap the 786, get above it, and then start coming back down. That's the short I'm looking for guys. If not, 0.88, you got them highs there, SFP, 0.88, same thing, looking for that short guys. And yeah, I'll update you guys when it happens. Alright guys, it is time. Just got home from the gym, and my alerts were going off on the way home, so yeah, I mean, I have entered the trade. As you can see, pretty much speculating on a 786 rejection and a naked point of control there as well. If not, at 0.88, same thing going on. But yeah, nothing really else to update other than the fact that it's playing out. So I'll update you guys if I get stopped out. Alright guys, as you can see, unfortunately I did get stopped out of the 786. For stupid reasons, to be honest. I mean, on the 15-minute time frame, no confirmation candles. You can see no red candles, nothing, no rejection. Yeah, on the 3-minute, got above him. He's getting below it. That's where I entered. Bad move. Next time I need to wait for 15-minute candle close, or just some confirmation candles. As you can see, we are at the 0.88 now. Currently fighting it. We SFP'd the high just above. As you can see, we're kind of dancing around it, but we are trading below it. I entered short right here, I believe, around here. And I entered another short around here, guys. So currently in baby profits, but I am going to hold the trade overnight, see how low we can go. 0.88 to the golden zone should be the TP, guys. So just paste it in 3. So let's see if we can hit full TP, guys. Currently up 371. These are my positions. Looks good for a move down, but anything can happen. We could get pushed up. But yeah, just gonna show you guys what happened. Good morning, guys. A very unfortunate situation has happened. Out of 2 of my positions, I have actually been stopped out of one of them. Stop punted right there, you can see. Stopped me out of my tight stop loss position. So I would have been up more than double. But yeah, as you can see, TP still at 0.5. TP still here, guys. So like what I have the 618 holdings, I'll set some alerts. But 0.5 full TP. I am up 1k, just not enough though, is it? So yeah, we'll see what happens. Sorry, I just got back from work. Here you can see this is where I entered. You can see we got a double top. Yeah, stopped out one position was still open, and we actually came down to the golden zone. You see that, guys? We tested the golden zone. Now if I was to take profit right there, that would have been a 1 to 3 I believe. If I took profit there, guys, then because the typical 0.88 setup is to go to the golden zone, but I was targeting the 0.5 because sometimes it hits the 0.5, and then the one time I actually TP the 0.5, it doesn't hit the 0.5. So from now on, if you get a successful entry on the 0.88 setup, which is the SFP from the 0.88 level, targeting that golden zone, yeah, first TP, you have to at least be taking 90% partials, at least 90% partials, stop to break even. That's it, Bob's your uncle. Now, this is another trade that you can see. This is another trade. Basically, it's an SFP. I entered short right there, and stop loss at the high. So I entered short right here, guys, stop loss at the high, because we SFP'd that top high there, swing failure pattern there, but also all of these highs here. We basically just swept it. I saw the wick, we got that retracement to back test the high, and I entered short, stop loss at the high, and we started tanking. Now, me being an idiot, you can see that was, well, I can tell you that was a 1 to 3 trade at least. It was just over 1 to 3 from the entry, stop loss, bang. and I was watching it, but you know, I was targeting the lows because I don't know, as a non-profitable trader, one of the mistakes you make is always trying to go for the big win, or the big trade, always trying to catch that big move. So if I was to target the lows, that would have been a big move, right? That would have been like a 1 to 8. But because of that, I got stopped out. I put my stop loss to break even, but all in all, got stopped out. If I did not touch the stop loss, I would still be in the trade. But that's not the point. The point is, if I had taken profit at the golden zone, that would have been one good trade. Bang, SFP, bang, another trade, 2 good trades in a day. 6 RR, say that was both of them were 1 to 3 RRs, that would have been 6 RR in one day, risking 1,000, 6k in one day. But because I didn't take profit, well, for both of the trades actually, I didn't take any profits. So I'm a loser. I've journaled this. I cannot be doing this again. If I do it again, then I say, if I don't TP at 1 to 3, then I am just further reinforcing the fact that I don't want to get out of a drawdown, which I am in anytime soon, and potentially lose the account. What I'm saying is, me not taking profits at where I should be is basically reinforcing the fact that I'm a loser. We don't want that, do we? So yeah, to wrap it up, setups were good, entries were good, the setups were good. It's just the taking profits. I've done this before where I noticed that I wasn't taking any profits, and then I changed and I started taking profits, and I'd done the best. I had like the best week I've ever had. So yeah, but like I said, I stopped trading, so just coming back into it now. So taking it slow and steady, guys, but we know what to do. We know what the goal is, and we know how to get there. So it's only down to us to make sure we do the right steps. So if you made it to the end, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please drop a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Until the next one, goodbye.